Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Flona token. Ticker symbol is Flona, name of the token is Flona. This token just got listed today on CoinGecko, brand new listing. Right now it's up 48.2%. It was up in the 80 percentages earlier. This is a brand new dog meme Valentine's Day token. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, Flona. So, you can find this token newly listed on CoinGecko. They have their Etherscan on here, Twitter, Telegram, webpage, full white paper, price chart, contract address. So this is an Ethereum token. So basically how you'd get this token if you wanted to, you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum. You'd go into the dApps, you would find Uniswap, and then you would trade your Ethereum for the Flona token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko. You can find it on their Etherscan or their webpage or white paper, which are all listed on CoinGecko as well. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. And just be aware that there is going to be some network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, according to their Etherscan, right now they have 1,121 holders, 5,572 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a max total supply of 10 trillion tokens. Now, if you go over to their official webpage, you can find tokenomics, roadmap, the story, Medium articles, looks like Twitter, Telegram, and a contact email as well. So it says, Flona loves Floki. And then they have a link to Uniswap. My lovely Flona, for so long I have been waiting to introduce you to the world. So I guess this is supposed to be Floki Inu's girlfriend, Flona. So they have a DEX tools chart on here. They also have the CoinGecko chart now. You can check that out on their page. It says, woof, I'm yours. Let's build on these feelings we have. Everyone needs that special someone in their life, their person, their other half that completes their journey and fulfills that spark in their life. Now, this is going to get real, cringy because, it's a Valentine's Day token. So, cringe warning, hashtag cringe warning coming up. In the crypto space, there is no difference. Love and luck will always find their way. Look at Shiba and Sheena. So yeah, Sheena or Sheena Inu, whatever you want to call it, is a token that came out, I believe, about a year ago. And I did make a video on that token, I believe, and you could find that somewhere on my page. Probably have to scroll way back or search it. They are perfect for each other. They both reached great heights and massive gains, with Floki's all-time high reaching 3.7 billion. Very soon, my friends, Cupid will aim an arrow upwards again. Make way. There is a new duo of dog lovers coming to the scene. This time, it's not just puppy love. Now introducing Flona. Now Floki will have a partner by his side. Flona is the girl of Floki's dreams, the apple of his eye. He was instantly captured by the beauty and similarity to him. They both share a great love for their community. Floki knows that Flona's rise will be no different. They can both do amazing things. Sometimes you just need that special person by your side. Everyone wants a little love. Here in the Flona community, you can expect to find a group of passionate individuals all there to support each other on this moon-bound path. We are all here for the love we can share together as support and the support we can build for this wonderful project. With love and unity fully taking the wheel, we know that our community will attain the most reach of all these social platforms. As we continue to hit social milestones for Flona, the team promises to show a little love to the loving and loyal holders. Now, their roadmap is on here, starting with Phase 1, launch social media channels, launch token website, develop smart contract on Ethereum, stealth launch on Uniswap, and then building community, locking liquidity for 1 year, and then expanding the team. Phase 2 is going to be launch marketing strategy, connecting with influencers, CoinMarketCap listing, CoinGecko listing, letter to Floki on Valentine's Day, extending liquidity lock, DAO integration in Phase 3, and then a white paper release. I guess a more extensive white paper because they kind of have a small white. Actually, no, it just takes you over. If you click on white paper right now on CoinGecko, it takes you over to their Medium articles, which kind of says the same thing as their webpage. Very similar. They also have a little bit of extra stuff there. Phase 3 is going to be audit and KYC, and then Phase 4 and 5, it says stay tuned. So it says 0% taxes. So you most likely will not have to set slippage to anything if you are going to buy or sell this token off of Uniswap. It says total supply 10,000 million, which is, I guess, 10 trillion. 10,000 million is a weird way to put it. Supply 100% goes to the community. No team tokens, no pre-sale. And yeah, it looks like they don't have an audit and KYC yet, so just be aware of that. Now, if you want to follow their socials, they have a Twitter at Flona the Viking. And they just joined in January 2023, brand new Twitter. They only have 530 Twitter followers so far. Their official webpage is flonatheviking.com. And then they also have a Telegram as well on here at Flona the Viking. So pretty easy to find all those. And you can find this token newly listed on CoinGecko, like I said earlier. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.